The greedy dog. Once there lived a dog. One day he was feeling very hungry. He went in search of food and found a piece of juicy bone. He thought that he could go back to his place and enjoy it. While going back to his home, he had to cross a bridge on the river. While crossing the bridge, the dog saw his own reflection in the river and thought that it was another dog with a piece of bone in his mouth. The dog was so greedy that he wanted that piece of bone also. So to snatch that piece, he opened his mouth to bark at his own reflection. But the moment he opened his mouth to bark, the piece of bone fell into the river. The dog lost his bone and had to return home hungry. The moral of the story: don't be greedy. If you like our videos, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.